Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. You are watching Wandering Donica, and I'm here to bring you another content of BTS unboxing video. So for today's series, we're gonna be opening some merchandises which are mostly from Twitter group orders. Some of them are official and some of them are fan-made. And these merch are ordered or purchased long time ago. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first item is ordered from Project 923H. So if you have watched this episode of From BTS, you may be familiar with this. In-ordered ko siya last March pa, but then dahil sa COVID-19, the production was halted and ngayon ko lang siya na-receive, which is ngayon is December na. So, ang tagal ko siyang inantay, but then let's see how it looks. Yung nasa Run BTS episode is Robe, but nung nagpa-group order sila, meron sa choices na kimono. So, I ordered the kimono one so that I can use it whenever I will be attending BTS-related gatherings in the future. So, let's get started. So, I have here the mini scissor. I hope makagupit siya. Oh! Ano yun? Hindi siya magupit. Wow! Medium pala yung order ko nito. Ito siya. Run BTS episode. Yeah. Ganda ng quality niya, in fairness. Okay. This. Okay, so meron siyang tag, which is Project 92. So, I ordered medium para sure tayo. So, sa likod, yung print. International Cupcake Sensation Sunshine Rainbow Rainbow Traditional Transfer USB Hub Shrink BTS. So, ito yung mahabang hashtag nila. So, ngayon nadagdagan na siya. So, hindi na pa-updated. So, ganun. Okay. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-kurda sa kanya. Okay. Baka kasi yung small, maliit dito. Malaki pala. Anyway, that's alright. We love oversize. So, continuing with our second item, I also ordered this from Project 92PH. So, okay, this one. Tada! Okay, I think this is OT7 Mots on E-Premium Photo. I told you guys, I love Yoongi so much that I will buy something na sinuot niya that I can afford. Oh, I forgot to mention, this hat is also what Yoongi wore in their magic shop master in Osaka. So, ito yung hat na nagpinning sila ni Jimin. Yun. So, if you want to know where I ordered this hat, I will also link to their website below. Okay. And my cat is watching me from my side. He's also busy grooming himself. It'll be the first one to see this. Oh my god. OMG! What? Palang bubble of eggs. So beautiful, OMG. Should I remove it? Okay. I'm checking for some legs. Oh my god. I'll remove the plastic so that you can see it. Ooh. They look so beautiful, aren't they? Yeah. Ta-da. Okay. Oh, so the display. Sa likod is Map of the Soul on E and BTS. Okay. The third item na bubuksan natin is this one. So, I think this is Tinytan postcard. I ordered this from Magical Bangtan. Ayan. Pero sure ako postcard ito. I think very limited lang yung mga na-order kong Tinytan merch. Kahit din siguro sa Bt21, very konti lang ng mga Bt21 merch ko. Well, they gave me OT7 photo sa freebie. Okay, so this is Tinytan yung postcard. Okay. Yeah, sweet time. Sugar. Okay. So, para ma-check na siya, let's open this one. And also, nandito rin si Koya. Siya na lang yung kulang sa kinakolect kong Bt21. Ayan. Plan ko na sila lahat. Oh, si Koya. Ipit ka na, Koya. Ipit yan. Okay. Yay. So, pinaghiwalay niya. So, yan, dalawa sila. Feeling ko hindi ko na siya bubuksan kasi sayang yung balot. Okay. So, meron nakalagay. So, this is the premium photo. Siya nakalagay. And then, this is the premium photo. Bubuksan ko ba? Saan yung balot eh? So, hindi ko na siya bubuksan. I will just provide photos. So, meron siyang si Koya. Then, meron siyang freebie. Kitty. Then, we have Koya plushie. Ta-da! I ordered this from her, and I will I will link all the Twitter accounts, the online store where I bought this merchandise. And I hope to see you next video. Bye!